How to make your own necklace chains. You will need 2 pairs of pliers to open the jump rings, or you can wear a jump ring opener. I have gone ahead and cut a piece of 17-inch necklace chain. Necklace chain usually comes on a reel, or you can buy 5 meters, 2 meters, 1 meter at a time. Now you may think, why should I go ahead and learn how to make a necklace chain when I can just go online and buy necklace chains already made? Which is true, but for an example, let's just say somebody wants a choker made and they want it to be 15.5 inches and you can't buy one in that length. Or some of the chains, you have to be very careful, some of the chains that you buy, they're not very well made. The jump rings aren't attached properly, so obviously once you put a pendant or something on, they're not going to last very long. So it's a really good idea to know how to make your own necklace chain if needed. Now this is a good strong gold plated necklace chain, ideal for the heavier pendants. We will also need 2 gold plated jump rings and a lobster clasp. I do have a video available all about jump rings and everything you need to know. But these are 5mm in size and they have a little split that you open with 2 pairs of pliers. Also the video shows you how to open and close, and you slightly twist. And then you take the very last loop, make sure the loop is intact from where you've cut the chain, so you don't want it falling off, and then we close it again. Yeah, that's fine. And that end is complete. So we do the same with the other side. We open this one. We hook it through the end of the chain, and then we are going to add our lobster clasp. This is a lobster clasp. There are so many different types of clasps available. We put that on our jump ring and then we close. And there's the chain. Completed. It's very strong. And you can see that the jump rings are done up correctly. They're not going to break and pull away. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of videos available, which is great if you're just starting out and learning to make jewellery. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.